Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's extremely windy here today. I'm going to get this jump rope session started in a great way by doing some boxer skips with double unders. So I will do the boxer skip for a few hops and then I will do one double under. And I will just keep repeating that. It's a great way to warm up. It's also a great way to finish your workout, or it could be a great workout in and of itself depending on how long you do it for. And let's say you can't do the boxer skip or the double under. You could do two different moves. Let's say you're new to jumping rope. You could do the basic 2-foot hop and then every so often throw in a side straddle like so before going back to the 2-foot hop. So do a few 2-foot hops and when you feel like it, do a side straddle. It's a fantastic workout, warm up, or a fantastic way to finish a workout. It's so windy, I had to take off my hat. So let's get started. I will be doing the boxer skip with the double under. So a few boxer skips and then a double under. Back to the boxer skip, double under. Great little warm up, great way to finish a workout or a great workout in and of itself. So let's say for example, you can't do the boxer skip or the double under, this combination I'm doing right now. Let's say you're a beginner. What you could do is this: the regular 2-foot hop, and then every so often throw in a side straddle before going back to the 2-foot hop. Do a few 2-foot hops, side straddle. 2-foot hops, side straddle. So it's a great little workout. Combine two moves. Have one move as your main move, and then a different move that you just go to every few hops. Okay, so I'll go back to the boxer skip to the double under. Okay, so that is a great combination. Using two moves, you can perform them for a certain duration. Maybe for a warm up, you could do that for say 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or you could do that as a workout in and of itself. Alright, well, I really hope you enjoyed this short video.